they deserve. My mother child hidden alive, deprived of love of a father, blamed for the loss of his wife. You know, Lord, I've been at prison or something that I've never done. I've been on here another, blame for them all, one by one. But it's time, Lord, you give me a mountain, a mountain I may never climb. And as I know how and no longer you give me a mountain this time. Cried dinner. I don't agree on this drive. So tired of working for nothing. Tired of being my wife. Sick took one day for sunshine. Sick took my pride or my joy. Sick took my reason for living. Sick took in my small baby boy. But this time, Lord, give me a mountain, I may never climb. And it's no help and longer. You give me a mountain, and it is